and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will be measuring food with the IC-0560-1040. But first of all, why measure the temperature of food? Food Standards Australia and New Zealand lists the following examples of foods as potentially hazardous. These are raw and cooked meat, dairy products, seafood excluding live seafood, processed and packaged fruits and vegetables, cooked rice and pasta, food containing eggs, beans, nuts or other protein-rich foods, or pre-made foods that contain any of the above, such as sandwiches and rolls. The safe temperature zone for food is less than 5 degrees Celsius and above 60 degrees Celsius. Temperature matters. When food reaches temperatures outside of safe temperature limits, many types of bacteria which cause food poisoning can multiply to dangerous levels. The simplest way to meet temperature requirements and reduce the risk of foodborne illness is to ensure that potentially hazardous food is received, stored, displayed, or transported either very cold or very hot. To check these temperatures are being maintained, Food Standards Australia and New Zealand recommends a probe thermometer accurate to plus or minus 1 degree Celsius as being the best for measuring food temperatures. An infrared gun is useful for quick checks and for packaged foods. In the video, we will show you how to check some potentially hazardous foods using the IC-0560-1040. This is a combination probe and IR thermometer. In this video, we have prepared an example of a few potentially hazardous food items. These are raw chicken, soft cheese, pre-prepared salad containing egg, and an iced coffee containing milk. When measuring temperatures and moving between items, it is important to clean your thermometer probe to avoid any cross-contamination. Wipe with disposable towel and use hot soapy water or alcohol wipes to clean well. Check the individual thermometer's manufacturer's instructions for specific cleaning instructions. To start measuring, we will first turn on the device by pressing on. The arrow on the screen indicates whether the measurement is being taken from the IR probe. The top arrow is IR, the bottom arrow is probe. Point the thermometer at the food and press the on button again to take a reading. Release, and the surface temperature of the food has been measured and is now being displayed on the screen. As the IR only takes a surface temperature, it's wise to take a core temperature where possible using the probe thermometer. When you pull out the probe, you will see the downward facing arrow appear, meaning the temperature is now being measured through the probe. Place into the middle or the thickest part and wait for the reading to stabilize. This device will beep once stable. Clean using the disposable towel, and as we are changing products, we will disinfect as per the manufacturer's instructions. The next item we will measure is a packaged milk-based product. We will measure this as a quick check, as you would in some areas of the food supply chain. Press the on button again to take an IR measurement. For a quick check, you would take multiple measurements of multiple items, ensuring the temperature is consistent throughout the group that you are measuring. As you can see, these items have only been out of the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and are already well within the danger zone. If needed, you could remove the cap and take a probe sample for a more accurate reading. Lastly, we have two food items that are pretty well known for their ability to cause foodborne illness if not stored and handled correctly. First, we will take a surface temperature measurement using the IR thermometer. This is within the food danger zone, so we'll take a core sample using the cleaned probe. Insert the probe in the thickest area, then wait for a beep to indicate a stable reading. After the beep, the reading will remain on the screen. I have just cleaned and sanitized the probe before moving on to the last food item, the raw chicken. We will start with a surface reading. Press the on button and point at the food to measure. Repeat this on multiple areas if necessary. You can see the shape is very uneven. For taking a probe measurement, it is recommended to take a reading of the thickest area. Insert into the thickest area and wait for a stable reading. There will be an audible beep once stable. As you can see, the internal temperature has remained slightly cooler than the surface temperature. Here we are repeating the same method but pointed towards the thinner area of the chicken. And the result is a couple of degrees higher. Always sample in various areas to get a better idea of the overall temperature. For more information on the IC-0560-1040, check out the product page or contact us. Details are in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Stay food safe. Thanks for watching.